Hello everyone, my name is Hangphúc. Today I read a story, My Cat. I have a cat. Her name is Spot. She is big and soft. She is white with black spots. She likes milk. She drinks milk from a bowl. She likes to sit at the window and look outside. She likes to watch the birds in the trees. Sometimes she sleeps all day. Just a cat dream, maybe. My apple tree. When I was born, my dad planted an apple tree in the backyard. Now I am 6 years old, and so is my apple tree. We have both grown a